there was another article that we actually saw on Wall Street Journal, that some insurers are actually raising rates on life insurance policies that they sold back in the 80s. And this is for a special type of insurance called universal life insurance, which is kind of like a combo life insurance slash like savings account type deal, and it has tax advantages on it. Um, and this is really unusual. Like most of the time, insurers do not raise prices on customers, especially ones that they've had for so long. And the increase in price can be anywhere from, they said the lowest was going to be like $150, but for people who have millions and millions and millions of dollars in these accounts, then it could be over six figures.
Yeah, I mean, and this just goes to show that low interest rates don't only hit banks. I mean, insurers are just really, really struggling right now to make any money. And if they're not able to make money, I mean, they've got to adjust it some way. And evidently, raising rates on long-term existing customers, it's gotten so dire that's where they feel like they need to go.
Absolutely. And let's back up a little bit and explain to people. So, federal interest rates, like we've said many times before on this program, are extremely low right now, like historically low. They pretty much can't get any lower than they are. And the gossip mill water cooler of the Fed is saying that eventually they'll probably raise them probably pretty soon.
Probably this month, right?
Probably
I
this
mean,
month, which we've said every month since June, I think.
exactly. Since last June.
But maybe probably this month. And when interest rates are this low, it means that insurance companies who are normally have these funds and kind of safe investments, they can't make as much money on them, to the point that apparently they're starting to lose money and they can't like keep the investments up.
Yeah. Yeah. This is just, and it's just a bad time for insurance companies, and it's a bad time for banks. And, even if you're not even interested in investing in an insurance company, because they are struggling to make money off their investment, their securities portfolios because of these ridiculously low interest rates. But the angle to look at this from is not as necessarily just as an investor, but also somebody who's looking for life insurance. When interest rates are low like this, it's just going to life insurance is just going to cost a lot more. So you can even think about life insurance from the perspective of kind of looking at it as a contrarian investor, and then to wait until actually purchasing it for yourself, or a large policy for yourself. Maybe you buy an intermediate policy to get you, to buy you some years, and then buy your large policy. Wait until interest rates have gone up a little bit and the price of those policies have gone down.